In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create Google Chrome incognito mode shortcut. We'll set up a desktop shortcut that opens Chrome directly in incognito mode, which is great when you want a clean session without saved cookies or history on your device. Just remember, incognito doesn't make you invisible online. Your activity can still be visible to websites, your network, or your employer. Start by locating the Google Chrome icon on your desktop. Right-click it to bring up the context menu. If you're on Windows 11, you'll likely see a compact menu first. Click Show More Options to open the classic menu with the commands we need. From that classic menu, select Create Shortcut. Windows will place a new Chrome shortcut on your desktop. This is the one we're going to customize to always launch in incognito mode while leaving your original Chrome shortcut unchanged. Now right-click the new Chrome shortcut. Again, choose Show More Options to bring up the classic menu, then click Properties. This opens the Properties window for the shortcut. In the Properties window, make sure you're on the Shortcut tab. Look for the Target field. This field contains the full path to the Chrome executable, usually in quotes. Click inside the target box, move your cursor all the way to the end of the existing text, and add a single space. After that space, type 2 dashes followed by the word incognito, like this. Incognito. It should appear after the closing quote, not inside it. For example, you'll see something like chrome.exe, incognito. Keeping the original path exactly as it is important. You're just appending the flag at the end. When that looks correct, click Apply. If Windows asks for permission to make changes, confirm it, then click OK to close the Properties window. Now it's time to test. Double-click the new Chrome shortcut you just edited. Chrome should open immediately in incognito mode. You'll know it worked if you see the dark window theme and the incognito icon, and the page mentions that Chrome won't save your browsing history, cookies, or site data for this session. If it doesn't open in incognito, revisit the Properties window and double-check that there's a space before incognito and that it's placed after the closing quote of the chrome.exe path. That's it. Use this shortcut whenever you want a fresh, private browsing session without affecting your main Chrome profile or history.